Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Swish Life Garage. Today, guys, taking you a little bit behind the scenes just because I'm starting to mess with the engine here. Usually if I buy a car or do something, I usually don't tell anyone or introduce it into the channel unless I have plans to start working on it and doing things. But anyways, bought a cheap car here. It was running real rough when I bought it, but I didn't really park the trailer any sort of way to make sure I, roll it off correctly. I just kind of brought it here. It started and then I rolled it off the trailer and now it doesn't want to run. So I need to get it running so I can park it and get it out of the way here. So let me show you what's going on here, man. Alright guys, so real quick overview here just to kind of get it out of the way. It's a 91 Honda Accord. And I bought it real cheap, so it obviously has issues, high mileage, but it's all original, brown or beige with the brown interior. And then 91 does have the seat belts that kind of, once they operate, they come on whenever you open the door. Show you the mileage, 218,490. Aftermarket radio. Still have the Honda booklet. The rear window is falling down. Put a stick on there to hold it up. I'm not going to open that door just because of that. And passenger side here. Let me take you to the back seats. Guy said it has working AC. I did not check it. It didn't run long enough for me to start checking all sorts of things. But that's pretty much it. All original 91 CB7. But I need to go ahead and get this thing running, man. That's just a real quick walk around 91 LX Accord, 4-door auto, no sunroof, non-VTEC. And I need to start checking things so I can get this thing running and just moved, parked out of the way. So I'm going to start doing some basic things. I'm going to check the spark plugs, check the spark plug wires, check the distributor. Kind of looks like they bought a new one possibly, because look at the color of it. And so yeah, just starting off with that. Let me go ahead and take off the spark plug wires and get those spark plugs out. Okay, so spark plugs look alright, but they are very black, and so they smell like fuel. Purchased the car from a guy that, he didn't really know much or pretty much anything about engines, so I think he might have been messing with it or his friend might have been messing with it. I just kind of really got to go over everything first and just start from there. But I'm going to just wipe these down. They do have a little bit of oil on them. I'm guessing the valve cover gasket is probably bad, or those little rings. And then after I wipe them down, I'm just going to hit them with the wire brush and just clean them up as much as I can. So just quickly brush these, and they look alright. They look pretty new actually too. So let me go ahead, reinstall them, and check on that oil leak as well, see how bad it is in there. Alright, real quick, see how much oil is in there. Oh, it's not bad. This other one, a little bit as well, not too bad. So just a little bit of oil. And on the outside, looks like they did replace the valve cover gasket. Not sure if they replaced those rings, so sometimes people don't. Alright, so it starts like very shortly and then it just shuts off. The timing is correct, or the firing order is correct. I'm going to take off the distributor cap, see what's going on underneath there, just make sure that's all good. I'm starting to think though, maybe the valve lash has to be set with a high mileage car. So that might be something up next, but let me check this real quick. This definitely is brand new. It still has the warranty sticker on there, so everything's all in there. But I'm going to take off the distributor, make sure it was set in there correctly. It's kind of hard to set it in incorrectly, but just going to make sure. So I checked the distributor, it was on correctly. I'm gonna check to see if we're getting fuel right here at the rail. I'm gonna crack it open and should see fuel come on out. Some did come out, it doesn't seem like too much. Let me try turning the car on and prime it. So definitely getting fuel over here, if you saw it all come out there. So I'm going to tighten that up and go ahead and try to start it one more time. It doesn't give me enough time to get out the car, take off the battery cables and move the car. So I'm going to take out the battery out of here, put it in the back seat, have the wires just kind of out of the window, and just try to move it like that. For sure, this is definitely the longest I've had it running so far. But definitely I want to check the valve lash on the motor. I hear a lot of clacking going on. I'm going to guess that it's never been touched and it's going to be real out of tolerance, but at least I was able to get it into its spot, kind of, sort of. Well, that's going to be it for taking you behind the scenes what I'm doing here with this one car. Still unsure what I'm going to do with it as of yet, but definitely you'll be seeing me do the valve lash pretty soon. Just trying to get it running smoothly, not really put too much money into it because I'm not sure where it's going as of yet. But definitely if I get some aired up front tires, some good front tires, it'll be easier to move around. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Drop a comment down below what you guys think. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video. I'm going to catch you on the next one, playa.